In this video, you will learn how to use direct payments in Travefy. Connect your Stripe account. In Travefy, go to your account settings, then linked accounts, then payments. Enter your email and accept the terms and follow the prompts to connect and create your Stripe account. Enable planning fees. After connecting Stripe, activate your planning fees option under the payment settings to start invoicing your clients. Create a planning fee invoice. From the trip dashboard, select Create Invoice, then add a line such as Planning Fees, Deposits or Balances. Add client branding. Customize your invoice with your logo, business name and terms to give it a very professional look. Send the invoice. Email the invoice directly to your clients using Travefy. Clients can view and pay securely using a credit card or Stripe. Monitor and manage payments. Track the status of each payment in Travefy's dashboard. Payments will be deposited into your Stripe account and notify when they are sent. Now you know how to use direct payments in Travefy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.